How to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you exactly how to do this using this template right here. And I will show you step by step how to do it. It's actually very simple and easy to do. It's one of the basic things that we can actually do within ClickUp. And I'll show you two different ways, or you could say two different ways on how to do it. One is going to be for individual tasks. And then we can also do it as a bulk if you have plenty of tasks that you want to do the same thing for. So let's just go ahead and get started. So let's just open up this campaign plan here, for example, and we have this many tasks here. So let's say we want to reassign a specific task. So let's say this bottom one here. So you should have a specific person in here, and we also have the due date for it. To reassign, you can just simply click on the assignee tab here next to the actual task and select the actual assignee that you want to replace. And as for the previous one, you would want to just click on this X under their profile picture basically to unassign them. Now for the due dates, it's also very simple. You would want to click on the due date option, and you would want to set up the due date, so they can just do tomorrow, for example. And this is basically how to remap the due date for individual tasks and also reassign. Now we can also, I'm just going to remove this for the time being. We can also change the due dates in a much easier way using the Gantt view that we have in ClickUp, which is going to show, if we just highlight this, show us weekly or monthly or daily. It really depends on how you want it to be. And we can just simply move them. So if we just go to this way, we quarter, or actually just do monthly, and we can just move them around. We can do it either by dragging this top green one, which is going to move everything underneath. So we can actually go ahead and move them to the specific due date that we actually want. So I'm just going to keep them here, for example. And we can also move them individually by dragging the name of the actual task instead of this blue icon here. So we can actually go ahead and move it around, and this is actually going to change it for them. And I believe if you actually change the top one, it's going to, if they're all the same, it's going to actually also move the ones below it as well. So this is also another way to change the due dates using the Gantt view. Now, one last method is if you want to assign a specific person and a specific date for all of them at the same time, so it's going to be exactly the same, is also very easy. You would want to select all of them, or we can just go ahead and do select the top one, and you would want to select the bottom one while holding shift, and it's going to select all of them for us, which is going to open up this menu at the bottom here where we can have more options. Like the assignees tab, where we can just click on it, unassign, which is going to assign everybody within these tasks, and then we can just go ahead and click on it again and assign it to a specific person. And not only that, but we can also set up the dates for them here as well, so we can make it all due tomorrow, and it's just going to change like that. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.